Hi, good morning. Today I'd like to show you how I work on my exercise 3. In this exercise, I will modify test3 Java in order to execute all of circle commands that appear in the slides of chapter 2. So I have copied all of chapter 2 circle commands here. One create, one, two, three, four, four, five insert queries, 5 select queries, and 1 update query and 1 delete query. Um, because I have modified the Java 3, the test3 Java, and I have incorporated chapter 2 queries into the Java test3. So firstly, I will show you how I compare and run test3 Java. So open the terminal and reach the test3 Java path. Database, sorry, and search all of Java files under this folder. We can see my circle connector is here and test3 Java is here. And then execute the command, the compare command. Okay, and then to run the test3. Oh, sorry, this one. Okay, here these are result sites of Java 3, and we can also um, see the table result in the workbench. Okay, I will show you again. Database connect to the database. Username John. Click OK and uh, write password before. Okay. You can say testDB. We created testDB and a table. Under the table here is a student table. Okay, we can see all of data has inserted into the student table. Okay. And next, I will show you how I incorporated these queries into test3 Java and explain how test3 Java works. Okay. This Java code is an example of how to interact with MySQL database by using JDBC. And so this code begins with importing necessary libraries and define the test3 class. And here there are several static variables to hold the database connections and statement. And and the main method start and some circle queries are defined. And these queries include creating a table student, including insert data into the table student. And the next is a try catch block. Um, is used to handle exceptions that that might happen during the database operations. And here, uh, the code establishes the connections to a MySQL database using the driver manager get connection method. You no no I will write the database URL and username and password. And the next, mm, a statement object is created by using the create statement and then to execute circle queries. To execute circle 1 and circle 2. Circle 1, you can see the circle. Circle 1 is drop a table student if exists. Circle 2 is a create table student, and we have four properties: ID, name, address, status, and a primary key is necessary. And then a prepared statement is created to insert data into the uh, student database, a student table. Sorry, it use because it use placeholder questions. So I will be say the data in here, ID, name, address, and status, and execute this query. Query 4, 5, 5 and 6. Query 4. Query 4 is to insert data. 5 is also and 6. Uh, uh, okay. And they are the chapter 2 queries. So I incorporated these queries in here. Um, Query 3 and Query 4, 5, 6 is different ways to insert data into the student table. And okay, and we can continue. Here is a update query and a delete query. So this update query is performed by using the prepare statement. It will change the status SOPF by giving a ID by giving the ID. So and the next execute this query and write all of the result. Select all of from the student table. And the data and this query is data is will be deleted from the student table by using prepare statement. It will delete a student with by giving the ID. Yeah, this ID, and execute this query and get a result side. And then they are the select queries. Um, these circle queries are executed to uh, select the data what you want, like ID by giving the ID bigger than 4,999, and we need to get a result set by method write metadata, and we can see this method here. Actually, there are two methods. Is write metadata, it, and another is write result site. These methods are defined to print result and data. Um, okay, okay, and finally, and the final part is a close method. Is defined to close the result site. Is to close statement, connect, and yeah, and close these objects to release database resources. Okay, overall, this code shows the basic database operations by using the JDBC to connect a MySQL database. Um, and is used to create table, to insert data, to update and delete data. So this is my exercise 3. Thank you.